Yes, folks, we've been out and about in the Stratos. About bloody time too, eh? Nowhere special, just another jaunt down to the village, but filming from the FJ, so stay tuned for that. So, a little jaunt down to the village, take the boys to play with their friends, and then of course we came back. So, stay tuned for that. In the meantime, what news? Not a lot to report, really. Car seems to be running fine. No squeaks, rattles, bumps or otherwise. So that's good. Oh, and the good news is that my friend Matt with his drone will be coming over at some point, and we're going to be doing a little more of that video, which was pretty spectacular last time. If you haven't seen that one, do check it out. So that'll be less of me droning on and more of Matt droning on in a very different way. My friend Angelo in Italy has been asking me about tyres, Toyos specifically. Yes, and I'm still running the Toyos, even though I bought those Firestones, I think they were. Yes, these boys haven't needed to fit them yet. Still got a reasonable amount of tread on these, although it's getting there. I'm a little bit worried, as you know, the fronts on the Firestones are a little bit higher profile. I think they're 50s, 225 50s on the front, which will give about an extra inch diameter. It's gonna be close. We'll see when we fit them, I suppose. Anyway, let's drive home. Unfortunately, the audio again on this video wasn't great of the car. Sorry about that. I put the microphone kind of where I normally do in the trunk with in a bag type deal to stop it rolling around, bashing around, and it's a bit muffled, isn't it, to be honest? So we'll try something else next time around. To be honest, it was a little bit of a last minute thing, all a little bit rushed, and didn't really have time to do things properly like normal. So there we go, that's about it for this time around. If you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down here somewhere, and of course encourage others to watch my lunacy.